One of the characteristics of distributed system is a group of computers need to communicate with each other. This communication can only happen by putting the computers onto a network. This topic gives an overview of computer network. Let us understand what is a computer network. A computer network is a set of connected computers. The connection can be wired or wireless. Each computer that are connected to the network is known as a node. On the network, we can put servers, printers, and storage server. For example, why this computer need to be connected? Computers are connected because they need to share resources. For example, if we put a printer on the network, we can send a job to the printer remotely. We don't have to provide dedicated printer for each users.